What if I told you that I know of a superfood that costs less than $1 a serving? It can help you manage your weight, it aids in controlling blood sugar, and is full of beauty vitamins like vitamin K, and also has minerals and vitamins that will keep your hair, skin, and nails looking fantastic. If you want to know what that superfood is, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. I'm Sharon Beaumont, the Blue Zone Junkie. Each week, I share my love for all things Blue Zones. If you're new to the Blue Zones, I'll put a link at the end of this video to one of my other videos that goes into greater detail about what exactly the Blue Zones are. So stick around and please take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next week. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for all your great comments. It's really nice to read them. I am so lucky to have you all as part of my Moai. If you clicked on this video, by now I'm sure you know that the superfood I'm talking about is the mighty chickpea. Chickpeas, despite their name, have absolutely nothing to do with chicks and therefore are 100% vegetarian and vegan. Chickpeas are also extremely inexpensive, so they make eating a plant-based diet very affordable. For example, this 19-ounce can of chickpeas costs about $1. And if you want to get even more economical, you could buy dried chickpeas and save even more money. Chickpeas are so versatile. They can be added to soups and stews, salads, pasta. They can be eaten cold or hot and can be mashed, pureed, or roasted. In fact, some people aren't aware that hummus is in fact mashed up chickpea. And I mean, who doesn't love hummus, right? These little balls of goodness are one of the easiest ways to get plant-based protein into your diet, with the added bonus of folate, fiber, iron, and tons of minerals, and all that for about 135 calories in a half-cup serving. And because chickpeas contain both protein and fiber, it means that when you eat a meal containing chickpeas, you feel full longer, which can aid in weight loss and weight maintenance. Stick around, because today I'm also going to show you how to make a delicious, nutritious, super easy, spicy chickpea veggie burger with only 5 ingredients and a couple of spices and a little bit of olive oil for cooking. Diabetics who consume a high fiber diet have lower blood glucose levels, and type 2 diabetics may have improved blood sugar levels. Because of the high fiber content of chickpeas, these burgers or any other recipe you find using chickpeas can be an excellent and beneficial addition to your diet if you have diabetes. Collagen is a huge buzzword these days, right? Collagen powders, collagen pills, collagen candy. Some research has shown that collagen can improve the appearance of hair, skin, and nails. We can actually get collagen through the foods that we eat. Legumes, like chickpeas, are a good way to increase collagen naturally because chickpeas are a particularly good source of copper, zinc, and protein, which increases collagen synthesis. Chickpeas are also rich in magnesium, which helps reduce the fine lines and wrinkles on our skin. It also helps in balancing out the fatty acids in the body, which increase the elasticity of our skin. So eat more chickpeas and help reduce those fine lines. Chickpeas can also prevent premature aging. Fun fact: if you wanted to grow your own chickpeas, you would need about 100 days for them to mature. They grow into a bushy plant that can grow as tall as 18 inches or 45 centimeters tall. The actual chickpea grows inside a pod, and in there you can find anywhere from 2 to 4 chickpeas. India grows more chickpeas than anywhere else on the planet. Chickpeas are also one of the oldest cultivated plants on Earth and originated in the Middle East, which may explain why so many incredible chickpea dishes have an Israeli, Egyptian, or Lebanese flair to them. Today's recipe for spicy chickpea veggie burgers is super fast, super easy, and packs a lot of flavor and protein in this plant-based alternative to a meat patty. So now that you know all there is to know about chickpeas, grab yourself a can of chickpeas and let's head to my kitchen where we'll whip up a batch of these delicious, spicy chickpea veggie burgers. All right, let's go. Hey, come on, what are you waiting for? Okay, so here we are. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. We're going to start our recipe for spicy chickpea veggie burgers, and you can find that recipe at runningonrealfood.com. I'll put that website right here. And what I've done is I've pulled out all our ingredients to show you. For today's recipe for spicy chickpea veggie burgers, you need a 19-ounce can of chickpeas. We're going to use about a half a red onion, a small zucchini grated. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. We have some red wine vinegar, some spicy sriracha sauce. Now the sriracha sauce, you don't have to use the full amount if you'd like something a little more on the mild side. We also have some natural peanut butter, and we've got some spices like cumin and garlic powder. I'll put in some fresh cracked black pepper and some sea salt. We also will be adding in 1 cup of oats. We'll cook that up in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So, get all your ingredients together and let's go. After draining and rinsing the chickpeas, I'm going to add them to a bowl and mash them. You can use a fork. I'm using a potato masher, and you can even use an immersion blender if that's something that you have on hand. And through the magic of YouTube, all my ingredients are prepped and ready to add to the mashed chickpeas. Now I just have to simply add the chickpeas to all of the other prepared ingredients. Here I have our 1/2 cup chopped red onion. I have a small grated zucchini. This is my 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Mixed in here, I have 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. There's some cumin sprinkled over here with some garlic powder and my sea salt, on top of 1 cup of quick oats. All that's left is to mix everything together. I love this blue spatula I just found. It goes with my Blue Zone theme. You're going to want to stir all of those ingredients together. And really the easiest way is just to get your hands in there, get everything mixed together. Once your mixture is mixed up very well, you can go ahead and start forming the mixture into patties. I've greased my baking pan. I'm going to cook them in the oven alternately. You can place them on the barbecue for about 10 minutes on each side, or fry them in a pan with a little bit of oil for 3 to 5 minutes. This recipe should make between 6 and 8 patties. But that all depends on what size you'd like to make them. Perhaps you have young kids at home, so you might want to make them a little bit smaller. That's completely up to you. Et voila! So how fun and easy was that? I'm going to take a few minutes to clean up. I'm going to get my veggie burgers cooking, and I'll be right back to give you a couple ideas of how you can serve these incredible vegetarian patties. Our burger is ready. And it looks and smells delicious. I'm going to enjoy mine with a side salad today. However, this burger will be incredible on a bun with all of your favorite toppings. And while this recipe isn't an official Blue Zone recipe, it does meet all the criteria for a healthy Blue Zone meal. So thanks to Darren at Running on Real Food for this great recipe. If you enjoyed the cooking part of today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to add more cooking videos just for you. My lunch is ready. I'm actually gonna add a little extra sriracha to my burger because I love spicy food. I wish you all a wonderful day. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next week. Be healthy, be happy, and get out there and live a Blue Zone life. Bye! Because of the high fiber there's a bug.